Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer videos from mobile to laptop. It is very easy. First of all, you need to grab the charging cable of your phone, then connect the charging cable end to PC and another end to your phone. And as you connect it, you will see the pop-up just like this. Here we need to click on file transfer and sometimes you need to click on allow. It will depend on your mobile's manufacturer. Now as you're done with this, you just need to open your file explorer now, and in the file explorer you will see that our phone is successfully connected to our laptop. So just double click on your phone, then just go to internal storage, and now you can just locate to the folder where your videos are. My videos are in this folder, so I'll just double click on it. So these are some videos. I can just select them and hit Ctrl+C in order to copy them, and just go to the location where you want to paste them. I want to put them in the desktop folder, so in order to paste I'll just hit Ctrl+V. And yeah, there you go, you can see the videos are now copying. So yeah guys, that's how you can transfer videos from your mobile to laptop. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.